Hi, my name is Bohan, and this is the video submission for GAME2014 Midterm. Right. I'll be demoing my game in Genymotion. Right. So you see the Unity logo. Now see the game is properly rotated with in the landscape mode. Okay, and I'll be showing it in the editor as well. So I run the game in the simulator. You can see it's only set to landscape left and right. Right now it's landscape right. So if I rotate to landscape left, the player will be still at the left side. Yeah. So I'll be explaining the code now. So this script is bullet controller script. It's attached to the bullet prefab itself. This script basically handles the movement and boundary check for the bullet. So what I did is simply rename those from vertical to horizontal for their variable naming, and then swap these in the vector 3. So swap that with the horizontal speed. So same thing. So for the boundary check, just simply change the y to x and then rename that variable right there, and that's it for this script. And this is bullet manager. This script basically manage all the bullets fired and then put them inside a object pool to optimize the game. So in this case, we're not changing any of these code from the template. And for this bullet factory, same thing. We didn't change anything from the template, but this script basically manages all types of bullets. So once you code this function, you can spawn a type of bullet you want. So at this point, we're just gonna spawn a random one. And for enemy controller, this script controls the boundary check and the movement for the enemy. So basically what I did is changing horizontal to vertical and then swap them in the vector 3. And then for the boundary check, simply changing the x to y's. And for the play control, same thing. We change so this for the touch screen, changing the x to y's, and this for the keyboard and controllers, changing horizontal to vertical here, and change this to from x to y, and then swap the lerp with the position x. And for this one, we're just going to swap this vector 2 in here, and then for the boundary check, simply changing x to y's. And yeah, and for the background controller, this one controls the background image scrolling. So I'm just gonna simply rename those from vertical to horizontal and then swap them in the vector 3 here. That's for the boundary, changing y to x. Movement, swap these two. And in the editor, so player boundary, vertical boundary 4.5 works fine for me, and for the background 21 works fine for me. So right here, and then we're gonna reset over to 21 right there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.